Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. Many much more beautiful and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut, attractive eye-catching hair dye, and overall ideas stylish and trendy. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyles in low maintenance, mostly ideas of low maintenance hairstyles, spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyles. And very beautiful ideas of too short wave and curl on hair. And very attractive collection of haircut in short hair. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and very attractive ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, and some ideas in funky colors. Very beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And so beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video. Share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.